The topic of today's video is how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to another wallet. So here we are on the Coinbase app, and what we want to do is scroll down till we see transfer, and then we're going to click on that and it should say send crypto. Alright, now over here there'll be a search bar where we need to paste our wallet address. So let's jump over to our Phantom wallet here, and we want to click on receive. Now I should have clicked on Ethereum, but I clicked on Solana. So just click on Ethereum and then paste it into that search bar on Coinbase. And it'll bring up your wallet and you can just click on that. Now you'll see I have no compatible assets, but for you, you'll be able to choose Ethereum, and then you'll be able to select the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. And from there, you'll just click on confirm, and they'll give you a review sheet with all the fees involved. And if you're happy with it, you can click on continue. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.